Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Copilot in new Outlook. So let's start. So this is my new Outlook. Simply go to the home tab in new group, click on the new options and click on the mail. And here I'm going to write some emails. So I just write here, I want leave 12 September to 22 September. Okay. Now I just click on this Copilot icon and here you can see the auto write option showing. Just click on it and here you get the perfect sentence. I would like to request leave from September 12 to September 22. Okay. And if you want to again auto write, just click on this auto write and below you can replace. If you want to replace this sentence with this sentence, then you just select this option and insert below, just select this. I just click on the replace and here you can see. Now I just click on again this Copilot option and here you can see when you drag it, here's some suggested prompt here showing. If you want to add more details in this, you just click on the add more details and click on this arrow. That's it. And here you see the full email here showing. I'm writing to formally request leave from September 12th to September 22. During this period, I plan to attend to some personal matters that requires my immediate attention. Okay, I will ensure that all my current project and etc. So you can see the best email here showing. And if you want to again replace it, you can select here replaced and insert below and you can discard also. Okay, so I just click on here replace. That's it. So this is a way you can use here the Copilot to writing the email in new Outlook. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.